Alright, for this next question we're going to move into a little bit of a harder one. Before, when we had two trig functions, we would just factor. But now, since the two functions are different, being that one is sine and the other one is cosine, we have to use a formula. Now, the formula states that you have to change the trigonometric function that has the exponent on it. So, in this case, we have the sine. So, it would be 1 minus cosine x plus 3 cosine x. And of course we have to move the 3 over. So minus 3 equals to 0. Now we have to distribute what we have here. So it would be 2 minus 2 cosine 2x plus 3 cosine x minus 3 equals to 0. Now we have to put these two numbers together since they're the same value. So it would be 2 cosine x plus 3 cosine x minus 1 equals to 0. Now, you would want to factor this, but there's a negative in front of the entire equation, and you can't factor that. So what we're going to do is, to take out the negative in the front, we're going to divide everything by negative 1. So that would cancel out the negative in front of the equation. So what we end up is with 2 cosine x minus 3 cosine x plus 1 equals to 0. Now we can factor this like any regular trigonometric function. So once we factor it, it equals out to be 2x minus 1 and x minus 1 equals to 0. Now to get the x's alone, we would do x equals to 1 over 2, x equals to 1. But now we have to bring back the cosine. So cosine, cosine. Now we have to find in what angles in the unit circle does cosine equal to 1/2 and where does cosine equal to 1. Those spots on the unit circle are pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3 and 0 for 1. I'll show you guys on the unit circle, this beautiful unit circle. Cosine equals to 1/2 right here at pi over 3 because cosine is x, and also down here at 5 pi over 3 where x is positive 1 over 2. In these two quadrants it couldn't be because x is actually negative 1/2 and negative 1/2, so that would not work. And cosine x is equal to 1 right here at the first spot on the unit circle, which is 0. So now that we have those answers, we have to always remember to put plus 2n pi at the end of our answers. Now if this was a tangent function, it would only be plus n pi, but since we're dealing with cosine, it equals to 2n pi. So that'll be all. Thank you for tuning in. Catch you later.